I just want to take a picture first. Okay, this was a beautiful day on the 4th of August. Look at this beautiful entrance. It's here on Topeliuksenkatu, Topeliuksenkatu 3, small race that is here in Helsinki for awesome lands with there being 6 columns, and inside also unfortunately. Should have been the original ones, but still it's amazing and it deserves 2 rides. That didn't matter.
Yeah.
It was built in
32.
32. Turned 90 years old in 2022 and its amortization 1.3 will be expected in the next year, 2024. Does it say when it was upgraded?
Yeah.
Very beautiful.
Yeah.
Quite special, I think, this round surface and
Yeah.
the quadratic also.
Mm.
Quite a rare style, I think.
Yeah. Ispität kaikki väispitään, meitä ei pääsipä hissiin.
Yeah. It's very difficult to get inside.
Yeah.
It's really difficult to film it also.
Yeah.
But I hope you can actually get speed later also.
Yeah. I think the machinery is still original.
That's just amazing.
Yeah.
But only the button should have also been original.
Yeah.
I love the sunset as well here.
Same.
And that's it. Rose washing. I also think this seating is quite special.
Yeah.
It's quite rare.